In this life, not everybody will get big chest, and they cheap, some carry people for mind. This person make me all this mic, but not have no money. If not, only get the purpose by what are the spiritualists and no. So this is how to do by this time. What's my own? Nothing they work the way they describe for Nigeria. One of my guys finds sleep for 6 weeks, he knows he sleep. He drink Valium 5, he don't work, drink everything. Until somebody recommends Jehovah's Witness book a week. If you see snow, my guy read a week enter coma. And we gonna beg him. One of my friends go chemist. Some of these big chemists, all those medicines what they say. I don't want to remove market because we go to the shop, my guy get catarrh. Now he say, how much is catarrh medicine? The guy said 9.8. Now my friend asked him, how much is catastrophe? To scatter the full show, the 2.5, you don't. See election, they come now. He come and say, now there's someone who contest with himself. Everywhere, someone. Abaji, someone. He called remind me of 2015. Fashion last made a no paste poster. When election reached, and them on the paste. So when you come out from one political rivalry, APC go paste. Afternoon, PDP go cover up. So others come join. For evening, church crusade. For night, comedy show. Everybody paste poster. One man waka poster done too much. The guy can't tear all the poster, jaga. All the information come mix. So when you drive, you come to see PDP vote APC in AY line. Get free, miracle. Everything mixed. I was in Russia during the World Cup. I was very heartbroken. We lost to Argentina. Not be the loss they paid me. Now, say when we get the stadium was 68,000 capacity. Nigerian fans were 3,000. Not be because we don't get tickets. Nigerians reach the stadium, they didn't sell their ticket $400. I know say Blanco Stadium before, you get one big TV where they that side. One guy just face the TV, they shout 400. And so when you from Nigeria come, you don't want to watch this match live. And the guy asked me, this one they show you and dead. If they score 2 goals here, nobody be saying to you. And the referee are sorry for. You know, say when we get that penalty, what did the referee not give us? Before that match, that referee had 1,098 followers. After the match, the referee gets 79,060 followers. For a mic, it is a people love her. You don't know, say Nigerians don't swear for her. If you go to the guy page, if you see swear, somebody said that whistle will kill you. This is the last match you will blow your life. Don't you give me one guy don't right under. Jesus, do your thing. And so what did Jesus do? I have an issue with the white people. When people come here when we never ready, 1700, 1800, they came to kidnap our forefathers when we were not ready. Now, that we are ready. They don't go build embassy to stop us. You went to America, somebody will ask you, so what are you going to do in the US? You wake up, kidnap somebody forefather, don't say the king will find out. Recently, the American Congress summoned the CEO of Google. Why? If you type idiot right now on Google, under image, Donald Trump will come. And so the Congress were angry. So they summoned the CEO of Google. They asked him, why is it like that? Why do you say if you type idiot, Donald Trump image will come out? So he can't make an explanation. He said right now, if you use a particular word for a place, object, or a thing 20 times, to make it easier, we attach it to image. So it means if you type idiot, Donald Trump come out, many Americans don't call him idiot, so they make it easier. Let me portray. That means, for instance, if you type short on the internet now, might come out. If you type funny, I feel come out. I can't say man try something. I can't type recession. Somebody come out. I can't type liar. No, don't be lying, Mohammed. No. Ladies and gentlemen, now I say this on the lip. Nigeria, our problem too much. That's why even when we want to talk to God, our problem complain. See our God, when they worship God, it's emotional. No problem. The things we pray to God for this country, other countries toiletries, now government is the provider. One person when they go and say, oh, as I go house, smell like stay. Government never. You support their right. So when they worship God, it's emotional. No problem. It's really a beautiful song. I just want to be where you are. Dwelling daily in your presence. I don't want to worship from afar. I just want to be with you. No problem. Yeah, all of our worship songs are complain. That's why we don't worship God yet. All we do is question and answer. Now they forget what they try worship God now. Lord, you reign. Ever hear the same? I got my children in my mind. The church will say. Those days, not be like that. Those days, who they and our teacher all of us in classroom. He would ask us, would reply, will you be ready when the Lord shall come? After this, I will ask another question. What shall we do today? After this, another question. Who is greater than Jehovah, Lord divine? Brother, are you a winner? Then you go sing one song. One pretend I say no one ask me question. Ask calm. The question on the front. You go since I was born and now I am getting old. Question, listen, brother, have you seen it?